morning to the examiner, and let me introduce myself. My name is Eng Si Wei. My mention number is A20A15X7. Today, I would like to talk about the background of the study. Our group study title is The Factor Affecting Behavioral Digital Marketing Among UMK Students. Digital marketing is becoming a common practice in daily life all around the world. 59.5% of the world's population, or 4.66 million people, use the internet in January 2021, based on Statista 2021. In contrast to the requirements and purchasing pattern of consumers shifting during the COVID-19 pandemic, social media and the internet have also had a role in this change, based on Yogesh 2021. Digital marketing benefit during the pandemic because customers are spending more time shopping online, based on Core Research 2020. Additionally, it is widely accepted that using digital platform is a strategy for sustainable growth, based on World 2021. Digitalization makes life easier. It eventually becomes a demand. The problem statement. This study aims to look for factors that affect digital marketing behavior among UMK students. A research made to provide more light on how influence affect consumers' attitude and attention to buy. The study emphasized the significance of meaning transmission, product fit, source attractiveness, and source trustworthiness. The research findings indicate that attitude and purchase intention were not significantly impacted by the legitimacy of the influencer's source, based on Lim, Rezo, Che, and Wong 2017. According to a thorough assessment of the literature, researchers have researched how social media influence consumer purchasing decisions and how word of mouth and online advertising have a positive and substantial relationship with buy intention when studied generally rather than with a focus on a specific target audience.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Izzati binti Johari. My number is A20A1626. Next are research question and research objectives. For research question, first, what is the relationship between performance expectancy and behavioral digital marketing among University Malaysia Kelantan students? Second, what is the relationship between effort expectancy with behavioral digital marketing among University Malaysia Kelantan students? Third, what is the relationship between facilitating condition with behavioral digital marketing among University Malaysia Kelantan students? For research objective, first, to identify the relationship between performance expectancy and behavioral digital marketing among University Malaysia Kelantan students. Second, to identify relationship between effort expectancy with behavioral digital marketing among University Malaysia Kelantan students. And the last one is to identify relationship between facilitating condition with behavioral digital marketing among University Malaysia Kelantan students.
Assalamualaikum. My name is NURUL HAMIZAH binti ZAINI and my mention number is A20B2241. What I'd like to present today is about the definition of term, hypothesis statement, and conceptual framework. Firstly, the term that has been used in our research study is behavioral digital marketing. As explained by the McKinsey in 2023, behavioral digital is a platform or strategy that are customized to meet individual preference, considering their behavior, their interests, and other relevant metrics. It significantly shapes the way users consume information and make decisions. Therefore, it able to develop a positive interaction between the user and behavior of digital marketing. Next is performance expectancy. As stated by Davis in 1989, performance expectancy refer to the pursuit of benefit and outcomes that individuals expect to achieve through their interaction with digital marketing. For example, accessible to relevant information and personalized recommendation. Due to its process, it perceived as useful and effective, which is influence an individual to likely engage with the digital marketing. Next is effort expectancy. In accordance to Venkatesh in 2003, effort expectancy is referred as the level of convenience that comes with using a specific system. For example, the design or the feature of the digital marketing and how it effortless for the user for them to able navigate and ease of use with the digital marketing. And lastly is facilitating condition. According to the study conducted by Venkatesh in 2003, it described that facilitating condition is when perception of an individual about the existence of technological framework that enables supports the use of a system. For example, the accessibility tools and compatibility device for user to effectively engage with the digital marketing contents or activities.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Firstly, my name is Muhammad HAKIM, ABDUL. The matrix number is A20825152. Now I will continue our presentation with chapter 2, which is literature review. This chapter discuss about the influence of digital marketing strategies on students to run e-commerce business. The purpose of this study is to investigate how digital marketing technique affect students to run online store. This chapter also identify the relationship between IRIS and DVIS of the research. In the next section, relevant literature reviews about the selected constructs are offered. Lastly, the research hypothesis for this study is developed based on the research framework. Now we will continue with 2.2, which is underpinning theory. There are several major theories and concepts from marketing and business literature that we can use to explain the impact of digital marketing methods on students to run e-commerce firms. There are two concepts that we use for our research, which is a theory of technology acceptance model and search engine optimized. Now I will discuss about theory acceptance model first. They are related with perceived usefulness, perceived ease of use, external variables, and feedback loop and continuous adaptation. Next, for search engine optimization, known as a digital marketing that helps students to run e-commerce website, appears and rank higher in search engine results. The application of SEO, which is a search engine optimization theory, in the concept of student-run e-commerce businesses entails comprehending and utilizing a variety of concepts and strategies to improve online visibility and generate organic traffic. SEO theory is elaborated as one-page SEO, off-page SEO, algorithm understanding, keyword research and analysis, user experience, and mobile optimization and local SEO. That's all for me. Thank you.
Then I will focus on hypothesis statement. In this research study, our dependent variable is behavior digital marketing and our independent variable is performance expectancy, effort expectancy, and facilitating condition. Hence, we are able to get a hypothesis as below. Hypothesis 1. There is a relationship between performance expectancy towards student and behavior digital marketing. Hypothesis 2. There is a relationship between effort expectancy towards student and behavior digital marketing. Hypothesis 3. There is a relationship between facilitating condition towards student and behavior digital marketing. Lastly, conceptual framework. The conceptual framework is developed to visualize the relationship that researcher aim to discover between the variable and factor that has been studied. As seen in the diagram that has been provided, the study of factor affecting behavior digital marketing is being analyzed by elements such as performance expectancy, effort expectancy, and facilitating condition. That's all for me. Thank you.
And the next is research method. The first is research design. This study applied a quantitative descriptive research design. A questionnaire will be conducted to collect the primary data with the number of respondents 375 by using Craigslist and Morgan's 1970 methods. Then the pilot test between 30 to 15 people will be conducted before spreading the survey. We will spread the questionnaire survey with simple random sampling. Survey for digital marketing, performance expectancy, effort expectancy, and facilitating condition will create using 5 Likert scales. And data collection, a questionnaire was created using primary data drawn from previous study that examined the factors affecting behavioral digital marketing among UMK students. The survey is to create a Google form. And the study population. In this study, the population is among UMK students in Malaysia. According to the UMK official website, 2023, the total population of the University Malaysia Kelantan student is 13,584 students. Therefore, the sample size is 375. That's all from me. Thank you.
Next is research instrument development. In this study, the questionnaire uses a structured questionnaire. There are 3 important sections, which are Section A, Section B, and Section C. Section A is the section that will gather the demographic information of the respondent. Section B is the dependent variable, which is question related to behavioral digital marketing. And the last part, Section C, which is independent variable relating to performance expectancy, effort expectancy, and facilitating condition. Lastly, procedure for data analysis. In this study, researchers used SmartPLS to analyze the data. A statistical software program called SmartPLS was used for part modeling and structural equation modeling, which is SEM. There are 3 important steps in SmartPLS, which is reliability and validity, relationship, and modeling R-square and Q-square. The first step in the process of analyzing data using SmartPLS, the researcher should identify the suitable measurement model to use. There are 2 types of measurement model in SmartPLS, namely reliability and validity. To assess the reliability of latent structure, SmartPLS typically use covert alpha and composite reliability. While the main aspect of reliability assessment in SmartPLS are convergent reliability and discriminate reliability. The next step is the part modeling specification. This step involves determining the relationship between the latent variable, which is represent the theoretical construct or concept the researcher is studying. In this study, the researcher is studying the study of factors affecting behavioral digital marketing among UMK students, and the independent variable are performance expectancy, effort expectancy, and facilitating condition. The third step is to evaluate the fit of the model used. Variable fit index such as R-square and Q-square. R-square is measure of the amount of variance explained by the model, while Q-square is a measure of the predictive relevancy of a model or its ability to predict new or out of sample data.